One of the factors about these popular skin boosters like rejuran and exosome is that most of them have this ingredient in common. Yes, it is PDRN. A lot of skincare enthusiasts are talking about it, and yes indeed, it is salmon sperm or salmon DNA getting injected into your skin. These treatments have been getting loved in Korea for a while, and globally it's getting more well known.
I've gotten the treatments a few times myself, and I feel like the satisfaction of the level who have gotten these treatments is very high.
How PDRN works is that it closely resembles human DNA and it works as a biostimulator. It stimulates our body's own regeneration to produce collagen and elastin. It also improves tissue regeneration, restoring skin tone and skin elasticity. And after the treatment, I think people just get really hooked on it because of the results. I feel like your skin is just noticeably hydrated, glowy, and just bouncy looking. That's why a lot of people are looking for these kind of skin boosters, including the ingredients PDRN, and a lot of people are looking for PDRN in their skincare products as well. I'm sure that you have heard of the K-beauty brand Heveblue, but if you haven't, it has a strong fan base in Korea. This toner right here made history of Olive Young on its launch day. It literally crashed Olive Young's server and sold out in just 5 minutes, automatically hitting the #1 ranking on Olive Young's site. Not only does it contain PDRN as a main ingredient, but has cica, madecassoside, some of my favorites, to really provide calming and restoring of the skin, especially if you have weak or dry skin. I love the light kind of viscous texture, and I love the way that my skin feels after that it soaks in. For my unicorns in UK, I have some great news. Heveblue has finally launched on Pureseoul.
So right now you can get 1+1 for the Salmon Caring Centella Toner, and if you get full-size Salmon Caring Centella Cream, you can get a full-size Salmon Caring Centella Ampoule for free. Also, if you spend over 45 pounds on Heveblue products, you can get this cute travel kit for free. Also, they're having 50% off on this black Yuja Bean Lifting Auto Eye Cream that has this dream applicator that looks like this, and the vibrator attached to it will auto-vibrate. Massage under the eye gently, and you will love how your skin feels afterwards.
And check out more details for the launch of Heveblue on Pureseoul.